Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change wallpaper on a Realme Book Prime 14. And to do this, we'll need to click on the Start, open the settings, here find the personalization, you'll find the background, then there's the options to change it with a picture, solid color, slideshow, Windows Spotlight, and Windows Spotlight is basically random pictures that the Microsoft chose to this option. Now if you want to set your own image as a wallpaper, then change to the picture. Here you'll be able to choose your own photos by browsing the files on this PC. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.